Hi everyone. So today I want to share with you something which we all can do. It's very simple and can have drastic healing effects on the body and the mind. So water. That's why I have this jug here. Water is a very important factor in our lives. Our body is at least 70% water. So most of our emotions are based on the kind of the waters that we drink. And unless you're very lucky to live in a place which has pure natural water, most of the water is either contaminated with heavy metals, toxins, and the likes. What we can do is that the ancients had a mantra for almost everything, and of course, there had to be a mantra to heal water. And as we all know, that water is something which has been used in healing ceremonies and mysterious ceremonies from time immemorial, whether it is baptism or the holy water, or in every culture it is used as a as a tool for purification. And so we can do that right at home right away. And the only thing is, you need to have a little bit of faith. You need to know that you are a channel, and energy is always flowing through us. There is always divine energy flowing through us. We are sometimes receptive to it and sometimes not receptive to it. So all of you can do this, and especially I would recommend that tonight's full moon, please leave a jug of water out, and until tomorrow, at least noon India time, so that it can absorb the maximum energies from the moon and the sun, and it can become healing water. But one more thing which we're going to do with the water, and which you can do at any time, is a mantra, which I'm just going to share with you, and also teach you as to how we can do this mantra at any time. I have examples of healing migraine just by giving people energized water to drink. So please try it out and let me know. And also, the other thing you'll notice is that when you have energized your water, you can keep 2 glasses or jugs or whatever, and energize one, let the other be. You will notice a slight change in the heaviness of the water and the texture of the water also. And you won't be able to drink too much of the energized water, because even a little bit will quench your thirst and feel satiated. So let's begin with the mantra and the technique. So we all have chakras in our body. I think these days everybody has heard of chakras. So they are basically energy centers in our body. We have them in our hands, and most healers have their hand chakras activated. Most people who work with their hands have their hand chakras activated. Otherwise, you can just press the center of your palm, press your fingertips, and just energize. Rub your hands, bring in the heat, energize your hands, and just take a deep breath. Calm yourself down. Don't do this when you are angry or upset. Preferably do it after you've done your meditation or prayers, whatever works for you to make you feel calm and composed and connected. The most important thing is you have to be connected. And take a deep breath into your heart, activate your hands. You can just bring your hands closer together to see if you can feel any energy between them, or anything, heat, cold, pressure, whatever. Everybody has a different way of experiencing energy. And you can just tap the crown of your head and tap your heart. That way your crown and heart is activated. And the mantra for purification of the water is Aushadhim Janvi Toyam Vaidyo Narayana Harihi, which means water touched by the Spirit of God is the best medicine, as God is the best doctor. You can do it 3 times, 4 times, as many times you feel like doing it. The important thing is, do it with the connection. Do it with your heart. Do it with feeling, with love, and you'll notice the change in the water immediately. Even by chanting it just once or twice. The other thing that you can do is, you can just ask for healing of all heavy metals, all toxins, all negative emotions. You'll be surprised at how some waters, they contain a lot of negative emotions and thoughts as well, because from, depends on how it's getting purified, where it's coming from, what the source of the water is. So, and anybody, if somebody is bringing a glass of water to you and is angry, it's very easy for them to, for the water to absorb that energy of anger. Sometimes when we are angry and we go for a bath, or we are, we feel frustrated or whatever, we go for a bath, we come out feeling fresh. Why do we feel fresh? Because a lot of our negativity gets washed away by the water. So make sure that the water that you're drinking is energetically clean and purified. You can, if somebody has a problem, a health issue, you can say, you can ask God or the angels to bless the water with healing for that specific problem. You don't need to know how it's coming, where it's coming from. Just have a little bit of faith that it's working, and just bless the water. And you can just, raise your hand, keep one hand on the heart, raise one hand towards the water, and just close your eyes, take a deep breath, smile, it always helps. Aushadhim Janvi Toyam Vaidyo Narayana Hari. Thank you, God, for purifying and healing this water of all negative thoughts, emotions, toxins, heavy metals. May every atom, molecule of this water be energized, healed with miraculous healing energies, with joy, with happiness, with positivity. And just take a few deep breaths. Inhale this energy up, bring the energy into your crown, into your heart, and exhale through your hand out into the water. You can do this a couple of times. Aushadhim Janvi Toyam Vaidyo Narayana Harihi. So you get the gist of it. You can program the water for whatever you want it to do for you. And please do this tonight. Please keep a jug of water tonight, and that water is not supposed to be had at one go, because that water will become very powerful. What you can do is in small doses, this much, every time you're feeling low or unwell. Throughout the year it can be used. That water can be kept throughout the year as healing water for whenever you're feeling unwell or sick. And you can make this water every month also, but the one that you make tonight is going to be extremely powerful. So have a nice day, all of you, and may you all be completely healed on all levels. Thank you.